APSC PYQA Part B Year 2009 Question number 28 to 52 Paper 1 General Studies Solar Nalkok Swagatam. Question number 28. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? A. Ganymede, B. Titan, C. Io, D. Callisto. The correct answer is A. Ganymede. Question number 29. Pacemaker is implanted in heart when one of the following is defective: A. SA node, B. AB node, C. Purkinje fiber, D. Bundle of His. The correct answer is A. SA node. Question number 30. When a person is undergoing prolonged fasting, his or her urine will contain abnormal quantity of A. Fat, B. Ketone, C. Amino acid, D. Glucose. The correct answer is B. Ketone. Question number 31. Science of improving human race is A. Eugenics, B. Epigenesis, C. Epistasis, D. Euthenics. The correct answer is A. Eugenics. Question number 32. A photon will have less energy if its A. amplitude is higher, B. frequency is higher, C. wavelength is longer, D. wavelength is shorter. The correct answer is C. wavelength is longer. Question number 33. Question number 33. Liquefied petroleum gas LPG is mainly a mixture of A. propane and butane, B. butane and isobutane, C. propane and isobutane, D. propane and tetraline. The correct answer is A. propane and butane. Question number 34. One of the elements of direct democracy is A. referendum, B. equality, C. free and fair election, D. universal adult franchise. The correct answer is A. referendum. Question number 35. Purna Swaraj resolution of Congress was adopted on A. 26 January 1930, B. 26 January 1931, C. 26 January 1929, D. 26 January 1932. The correct answer is C. 26 January 1930. Question number 36. Article 80 of the Indian Constitution deals with a formation of the A. Rajya Sabha, B. Lok Sabha, C. Legislative Council, D. District Council. The correct answer is A. Rajya Sabha. Question number 37. The fundamental duties were incorporated into the Constitution of India on the basis of recommendation of A. S.B. Singh Committee, B. Swan Singh Committee, C. Hanumantha Rao Committee, D. none of the above. The correct answer is B. Swarna Singh Committee. Question number 38. In the formal sense, Panchayati Raj was established in Assam in the year of A. 1961, B. 1962, C. 1963, D. 1964. The correct answer is D. 1964. Question number 39. The Planning Commission in India was established by an act of parliament, B. and the Constitution of India, C. resolution of the central government, D. presidential order. The correct answer is C. resolution of the central government. Question number 40. Which of the following method is not provided by the Citizenship Act 1955 to acquire Indian citizenship? A. by birth, B. by descent, C. by registration, D. by exercising right to vote. The correct answer is D. By exercising right to vote. Question number 41. Which of the following type of budgeting is followed in India? A. plural budgeting, B. cash budgeting, C. performance budgeting, D. surplus budgeting. The correct answer is C. performance budgeting. Question number 42. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to the independence of the Union Public Service Commission? A. Article 323B, Article 324C, Article 325D, Article 326. The correct answer is A. Article 323. Question number 43. Which of the following schedule to the Constitution of India relates to the language? A. 7 schedule, B. 8 schedule, C. 9 schedule, D. 10 schedule. The correct answer is B. 8 schedule. Question number 44. The French philosopher Rousseau belongs to the 18th century, B. 16th century, C. 15th century, D. 17th century. The correct answer is A. 18th century. Question number 45. Which of the following can initiate the process of impeachment of the President of India? A. any house of parliament, B. the Lok Sabha alone, C. the Rajya Sabha alone, D. the Supreme Court of India. The correct answer is A. any house of the parliament. Question number 46. Which of the following is not a part of the financial management? A. preparation of the budget, B. the approval of the budget by the cabinet, C. execution of the rendering of accounts, D. the audit and accounts of the public expenditure. The correct answer is C. execution and rendering of accounts. Question number 47. Under the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, the quorum for the meeting of the Gram Panchayat is A. 1/2 of the total number of members, B. 1/2 of the total number of the members present, C. 1/3 of the total number of members, D. 1/3 of the total number of members present. The correct answer is C. 1/3 of the total number of members. Question number 48. Who initiated the Home Rule movement in India? A. Chittaranjan Das, B. Lajpat Rai, C. Annie Besant, D. Maulana Azad. The correct answer is C. Annie Besant. Question number 49. The Indus Valley civilization belongs to the A. Paleolithic age, B. Mesolithic age, C. Neolithic age, D. Catholic age. The correct answer is D. Catholic age. The question number 50. Who among the following was the first to visit India? A. Yuan Sang, B. Ai Sang, C. F.A. Hind, D. Megasthenes. The correct answer is D. Megasthenes. Question number 51. Ahalya's Bai was A. Distinguished A. Maratha leader, B. Rajput leader, C. Sikh leader, D. Mughal leader. The correct answer is A. Maratha leader. Question number 52. During which period did the East India Company begin to build up territorial power in India? Option number A. The beginning of the 18th century, B. Last quarter of 17th century, C. Middle of the 18th century, D. First quarter of the 19th century. The correct answer is C. Middle of the 18th century. Thank you for watching my video.